In the shop tonight, sawdust in the light, Armor Woodworks by mine. Got a board on the table and a blade running true, turning old scrap into something new. Ripping down frames about 2.5. Folks might see junk, but I just laugh. Little offcuts stacked by the wall. I don't throw nothing away at all, 'cause around here scrap still has a plan, just needs the right cut from a steady hand. Bit of glue, little sand, let the grain come alive. Watch that old wood start to dance and thrive. Every piece got a story in the lines and the rings. Faith in the shop in the middle of things. Build it honest, build it right. Armor Woodworks by Mike. And before you go and head on through, remember